Bonjour, welcome back to my French YouTube channel. I hope you have been able to score well in your French marathon video 1. So today it's video 2. Let's get started. Remplacer les noms par des pronoms personnels. So you need to replace them with personal pronouns. Let's begin. Ce sont des garçons qui vont au Japon avec des amis. So with ce sont, we always write pronom Tony. Ce sont eux qui y vont. I told you in my last video also, the pronoun is nearest to aller verb. So we also have to write our pronoun with verb aller. Okay. Next one, je n'ai pas pensé à mes parents. I told you penser is with always, if it's followed a person, it's always pronom tonique. Je n'ai pas pensé à eux. Je n'ai pas pensé à eux. Let's move to next. Vatel chez Ellen. So by this time now you know the answers. Vatel chez Louis. Let's move to next. Ces filles font beaucoup de bruit. So ces filles will be replaced with L. En font beaucoup. With adverbs, you always write en. Ma mère a acheté les fleurs pour ses amis. Ma mère les a achetés. Acheté with the accords. Do remember the accords, very, very important. Pour, okay. J'ai reçu l'invitation. Je l'ai reçu. Words ending. I'm going to give you these small, nuggets. So please make sure that you're writing it along with me. Words ending with IUN are always feminine in French. So reçu with an E. Vous avez déjà vendu les billets aux gens. So vous avez déjà vendu, passé composé. We're going to pick this up. It's passé composé, so les will be here, lar will be here, vendu with an S. Okay, let's move to next. Pensez what is examiner. So pense, when we're thinking about something, it's always E. So E pensez. If it's in question mark, leave it in question mark, okay? Because it's remplacer, replace. Do not change the sentence. Aate lashte siro, les. Aate lashte. Again, it's in question mark, so we'll leave it as it is. ES. Accords. Donner le journal au grand-père. So, donner le Louis. Okay. So, le and Louis. We'll write both of them. Again, you know the rule now. You have to mark yourself out of 10. Let's move on to question 2. C'est ma tante. Now it's pronominative composé. Only composé, okay? So, c'est ma tante, which is the preposition that we have, chez. And with tante, it will be laquelle. Chez laquelle je passe toujours mes vacances. Okay? Let's move to next. You just have to pick up the preposition which is given in the sentence here, okay? Sometimes preposition is given, sometimes it's not given. So you have to just check. Here again it's given, par laquelle. Par is the preposition by which. Elle est partie. Full stop at the end. Which is the preposition in the next sentence. By this time, you know, we're talking about livre. And the preposition is pour, lesquels, j'ai payé 1000 euros. Okay. Les poupées sont belles avec lesquelles elles jouent. So avec is the preposition that we have here. Regarde les fleurs. I told you these sur les Kel, I told you these videos, marathon videos, will only be beneficial to you if you've already understood the topic. If you have not understood, it will be very difficult. So you can just go back and check out my videos of all the topics and then come back and then do this marathon. It would be an amazing experience, okay, to see all your answers right. All right. So mark yourself out of 5. Let's begin with question 3. Question 3, c'est compléter avec l'adjectif démonstratif. So, image, 7, parapluie masculin, se, fleur, 7, maison, 7, croix, 7, radio, 7, gomme, c'est, meuble exception, se, imperméable exception, 7, livre, se. Keep checking your answers. Pupitre, se. Saison, 7. Ordinateur, 7. Homme, 7. Élève, 7. Okay. So now you need to mark yourself out of 15. Okay. So do mark yourself. Check all your answers well. Let's move to question 4. Adjectif ou pronom démonstratif. So set. Here it will be cell. No directions because after the blank there's pronom relatif. Servant est meilleur que celui-là. When the sentence ends with a blank, always write la. This wine is better than that one there. Il n'aime pas cette photo is an exception. Elle aime celle. Okay, photo is feminine. Voila, the boom, very important. Again, two parties. So, celle-ci. I'm going to this one here. Whenever two is there, the continuation of the sentence will be singular. We've already done in the last marathon. Tu aimes cette chemise? I'm hoping that you've already solved and then you're seeing the answers. Celle. Voilà. Cette moto est celle. Next. Peinture, c'est peinture. And then celle la. C is already given, so we've written la and the sentence is ending with a blank. Avion, c'est celui-là. C is already given. That means we are comparing, so la. Musée, ce. And again, celui-là. C'est ce-là. Ces médecins ci sont meilleurs que ceux-là. Ce jour est meilleur que celui-là. A very easy topic. All depends on the gender of the noun. If you know the gender of the noun, you can quickly put it. Salade, set. Commandant, Celle. Hmm. Paul ferme cette fenêtre-ci. Close this window here. Pas. Again. Celle-là. Hmm. Regardez ces problèmes. Problem again, it's an exception. It all depends on the gender of the noun. If you do not mark the gender of the noun correct, the answers will be wrong. So we are comparing, okay? Whenever we compare, we write both of them. Watch these problems. These are easy, but those ones there are difficult. Cet imperméable ci est plus cher que celui-là. Okay, so now you know, out of 15, just mark yourself, see all the answers. You can pause the video and then check all the answers again. Let's move to question 5. Very, very important question. Trouver la question. Ce sont des chats. Whenever we talk about non-living things or animals, the question is always qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay. C'est une fille indienne. For person, it's qui est. Who is this or who are these? You can check your answers once. Let's continue. La robe est en coton. En quoi est la robe? Okay, or what it is made up of. The question is always en quoi. Birthday question is always quel est le jour de, and son anniversaire will be same because it's third person. Let's move to next. Elle regarde la télévision à 7 heures. So you can write now quand or à quelle heure. Both are correct. Reverse this. Regarde-t-elle la télévision? Okay, then we move on to the next question. Je pense aux vacances d'été. A is given, so you're going to take aqua. Pense tu. When preposition is given, just take that preposition. Now in the next one, what is the preposition? Depuis. We are in Delhi since 30th September. Take this preposition. Depuis quand? Êtes-vous. Nu will change to vous. Delhi. I hope you're marking yourself. It's very important to mark yourself. Okay. Elle pense à son petit ami. Our preposition is given with person. So with person is always qui. Pense tel. Let's move on to next. Nous rentrons en voiture. Como. With means of transport, it's always como. So again, a golden nugget for you. Means of transport, it's always como. How are you returning? Je vais chez le médecin. Okay, so you can write shaky or even où vas-tu. Both are correct. Shaky vas-tu. Or où vas-tu? Where are you going? That's also correct because it's a verb, okay? I'm unable to put the accent on you, but there will be an accent, otherwise it becomes or. So do ensure that you're marking an accent on the alphabet U here. Okay, it's not taking, sometimes it doesn't take an autocorrection. So now I hope that you have marked yourself out of 10. Check your scores, okay? 5 questions, 5 different topics. Do check your answers. Put it down in the comments below your scores. And you know, at the end of this marathon, there's a surprise waiting for you. So do ensure that you're watching all the videos of the marathon, okay? And you're also writing it down in the comments below. Keep practicing, and I'm going to see you in the next video for